Welcome to District360's innovative public asset feature, where managing your district's public assets become a breeze. With District360 CRM, it's not only about listing your public assets, it's about visualizing them on a map. Imagine having the power to mark zones on your map and instantly accessing details of all assets within that area. Simply draw on the map to define your area and retrieve assets within the boundaries. And there's more. Need to find specific types of assets? Whether it's recycling bins, CCTV cameras, or bike racks, we've got you covered. And the best part? You decide what information you want to see. Customize your view with ease. You can also toggle between satellite and street view effortlessly, and explore assets in stunning street view. But that's not all. District360 makes creating and updating assets a speedy process. Drag and drop icons to create or update asset locations on the map. Need to explore your asset inventory? Using the familiar list view helps you easily identify streetlights, recycling bins, or any other asset type with just a click. With customizable fields and exportable lists, managing assets has never been easier. Want more details? Dive deep into individual records to access descriptions, images, maintenance schedules, and more. Ready to take action? Create follow-up tasks and assign them to team members directly from here. Revolutionize your public asset management